Thank you, sir.
Okay, my children. So sine 45 degrees. That is enough because here after 360 degrees after one rotation, 2 into 360 degrees means after two complete rotations. After two complete rotations, 360. Again after completing one more rotation we get here 45 degrees. This angle denotes 45 degrees only. Understood this point, my children? Is this point clear? Is it point clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Very good. So you know sine 45 degrees value. What is the value of sine 45 degrees? What is the value of sine 45 degrees? 1 by root 2. 1 by root 2. Okay, my children. Now I'm standing away, standing aside. Take screenshot, my children. I won't wait for some time. Wait just only for 1 second. Take screenshot. I don't send classwork notes for this class. Take screenshot. Take it faster. Okay, my children. Have you taken screenshot? Ria, Samuel, Disha Priya, Nikhil, Percy, Juice. Yes. Shall we go to the next question? Shall we go to the next question? See question number 7. Find the value of my dear children, I don't send the classwork notes for this class because you are taking a screenshot. By seeing that screenshot, write the classwork notes. Okay. Find the value of cosecant. Find the value of cosecant of minus 14 10 degrees. Minus 14 10 degrees. We have to find the value of this trigonometric function. Okay, my children. Right. Here also we know that the values of cosecant x. Cosecant x repeat after an interval of 360 degrees or 2 pi radians. So let us take the given trigonometric function. Cosecant of minus. If you observe this trigonometric function, it is in the form of cosecant of minus x. Previously, I told this formula, cosecant of minus x. What is the value of cosecant of minus x? Anyone? Cosecant of minus x. Yes, very good, my dear Ria. What about other children? What about other children? So minus cosecant 1410 degrees because cosecant of minus x is equal to minus cosecant x. By using this trigonometric formula, I wrote this step. Understood this step, my dear children? Cosecant of minus x is equal to minus cosecant x. Now come to this angle. This angle is also more than 360 degrees. So, you know, after an interval of 360 degrees or 2 pi radians, cosecant value will repeat. So here also we divide 1410 by 360. How many times goes 360 table in 1410? How many times it goes? Let us take 4 zeros. Now 3 times 1080, 3 times 0, here 3, 330. So minus cosecant of, how can we write 1410 degrees? 3 into 360, 3 into 360 plus 330 plus 330 degrees. Okay, but by using this long division, 3 into 360 degrees plus 330 degrees. Okay, minus cosecant of, previously we have written this sentence. The values of cosecant x will repeat after an interval of 360 degrees. After 3 times rotation, 3 into 360 degrees means the angle is rotated 3 times completely, 3 revolutions over. After that, what is the angle left here? 330 degrees. 330 degrees. Okay, now again it is more than 90 degrees. More than 90 degrees. It is not an acute angle. So how can we write minus cosecant? Can we write it or not? 330 degrees can be written or 330, 360 degrees minus 30 degrees. Can we write this number like this or not? Can we write it or not? Riya, Samuel, Disha, Priya, Nikhil. Yes. So if you observe this one, 360 minus theta. 360 minus theta. This angle is in the form of 360 minus theta. In which quadrant this angle lies? 360 minus. 360 minus 0. Here 90. Here 180. Here 270. 360 degrees minus. In which quadrant this angle lies? 330 degrees. In which quadrant 330 degrees lies? Yes, fourth quadrant. Very good, very good. In the fourth quadrant, which trigonometric functions are positive? In fourth quadrant, which trigonometric functions are positive? You remember this one? All silver teacups. In the fourth quadrant, yes, cos and its reciprocal secant. Yes, very good, Priya. Very good, Amma. Very good. Cos and secant. Very good, my dear Percy. So, but the given trigonometric function is cosecant. It is a negative. In the fourth quadrant, given trigonometric function is cosecant. It is a negative. Already it is a negative. Already negative. Then what will you get here? Can I write directly plus? So cosecant 30 degrees because this angle is written as combination of 360 degrees. We wrote the combination of 360 degrees. Okay, next done. Understood this step? Then write the value of cosecant 30 degrees. What is the value of cosecant 30 degrees? Reciprocal of sine 30 degrees. Reciprocal of sine 30 degrees. What is the value of cosecant 30? What is the value of cosecant 30? Tell me. What is the value of cosecant 30? Yes, very good, Ma Percy. Very good, Percy. 2. So this is the value of cosecant of minus 1410 degrees. Understood this question, my children? Now I am standing aside. Take screenshot. Take screenshot fast, my children. Take screenshot. Take screenshot fast. Have you taken screenshot? Over? Yes, very good, Samuel. Very good. Yes, very good. Catherine. Very good. Very good, Amma Mahima. Shall we go to the next question? Shall we go to the next question? Don't wait for classwork notes. I don't post classwork notes for this class. Please remember this point, my children. I am giving the time for taking screenshot. By seeing that screenshots, watch this video and write the classwork notes. Prepare the classwork notes. Next question. See the question number 8. Question number 8. See question number 8. My screen is not clear. What about Catherine? Ria? Nikhil? Samuel? How is the screen? Is it clear or not? Now clear? Okay. Okay. Because of some technical issues, maybe it may be not clear. It may not clear. Now, come to the question number 8. Tan 19. Okay, Percy. Okay. Tan 19 pi by find the value of tan 19 pi by 3. Find the value of tan 19 pi by 3. See here, this is also the angle is given in the radian measure. Radian measure. There are two methods. By converting this angle, you know how to convert a radian measure into degree measure. Otherwise, directly we can go through this radian measure. I will explain with the radian measure. So, just rewrite this sentence for all these questions. We know that the value of tan x repeat after an interval of 360 degrees or 2 pi. Now tan 19 pi by 3. Tan 19 pi by 3. Okay, my children. Now divide 19 by 3. Divide 19 by 3. 3 6 times. After dividing the 19 by 3, we got quotient 6 and the remainder is 1. So we can write this number as tan 18 pi plus pi by 3. Yes or no? Can we write? Can we split? Can we split like this? 18 pi plus pi. What will you get here? 19 pi. Just in the numerator, 19 pi is there. Just to I have splitted 18 pi. See here 18. So we are splitting like this. 18 pi plus pi by 3. So now let us split into two fractions. Split this number into two fractions. 18 pi by 3 plus pi by 3. 18 pi by 3 plus pi by 3. Understand this one? From this step to this step. Priya, Samuel, Disha Priya, Nikhil, Juice, Mela, yes. Very good. Please respond to my question, my dear children. If it is okay, if it is understood, then send me a WhatsApp, send me a message in the chat box. Yes, sir. Otherwise, please repeat, sir, like this.
Sir.
Yes, see here. The given angle is in a radian measure. If you want to find the value of this trigonometric function, there are two methods. First method is converting this radian measure into degree measure. Then we go the same method as we followed for question number 6 and question number 7. But I am explaining this value by taking the radian measure as it is. I will explain that method also. This is the first method, method 1. Radian measure as it is. We are going these steps. We are writing these steps. We are following these steps. So here, okay, Mahima. Actually, the given number is 19 pi by 3. 19 pi by 3. So it is not an acute angle. It is not an acute angle. That is why we have divided like this 6 times. So we have to split this numerator as a multiple of 3 plus some number. Multiple of 3. 18 pi plus pi. See here, 3, 6 are 18. So 18 pi plus pi by 3. Okay, Mahima?
Yes.
Okay. Now again I am splitting this fraction into two fractions. 18 pi by 3 plus pi by 3. Understood this step? Mahima?
Yes, sir.
Now let us simplify 3 1 times, 3 6 times. Tan 6 pi plus pi by 3. After simplification, we got within the brackets tan 6 pi plus pi by 3. 6 pi is nothing but tan 3 into 2 pi. Yes or no? Plus pi by 3. So this angle is rotated completely 3 times. 3 times. See here. 3 into 2 pi. After 2 pi radius, again the trigonometric values of tan value is repeat. So after 3 times repeating, see here 0, here pi by 2, here pi, here 3 pi by 2, here 2 pi, here 5 pi by 2. Like this. After rotating this angle 3 times, we got this. We will get this number. So again in the first quadrant, after one revolution is over, 3 times this angle is rotated 3 times completely. One revolution and second one and third one. After completing plus pi by 3. So this angle lies in the first quadrant. This angle lies in the first quadrant. So pi by 3 only. Pi by 3. We ignore this part. Tan pi by 3. Understood this step? My dear children, as we ignored 3 into 260 degrees, 3 into 360 degrees plus 45 means what you have done, the same procedure here also we follow it. So what is the value of tan pi by 3? What is the value of tan pi by 3? Tell me. What is the value of tan pi by 3? Root 3. Yes. So this is the value of tan 19 pi by 3. This is one method. In this method, we did not disturb the radian measure of the angle. Okay, my children, take this screenshot. I will explain the second method also. I will explain you the second method also. You can follow any method. Which method is comfortable to you? Which method is comfortable to you? You can follow that method. Take screenshot. Take screenshot fast. Okay. Yes, very good, Samuel. Very good, Samuel. Very good, Amma Mahima. What about others? Benjamin. Very good, very good. Percy. Very good, Catherine. So I will explain the second method. Second method. That is degree measure. Method 2. I am finding the value of this trigonometric function with the degree measure. So tan 19 pi by 3. So tan, what is the value of pi radius? How many degrees makes 1 radian? How many degrees makes 1 radian? How many degrees? Pi is equal to how many degrees? Pi radians is equal to how many degrees? Tell me. Pi radians is equal to how many degrees? How many degrees makes pi radians? Pi radians. Do you remember that point? Pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. So in the place of pi, we are converting this radian measure into degree measure. Okay, my dear children, understood this step? Next 360 times. So tan 19 into 60. Find out tan 19 into 60. Find out what is the value of tan 19 into 60. Multiply these two numbers and tell me the answer. Multiply these two numbers and tell me the answer. Make it fast. $1140. Okay. So 1140 degrees. So this is more than 360 degrees. This is more than 360. So what are the steps we followed in the previous questions? We follow 1140. Divide 1140 by 360. 11 this number 340. 1140 by 360. How many times it goes? 3 times. So how can we split this number? How can you write this number? 3 into 360. 3 into 360 plus 60 degrees. Plus 60 degrees. Means this angle rotates 3 times completely. 3 revolutions are over. After completing 3 revolutions, again, in which quadrant this angle lies? This is one revolution, and second revolution, and third revolution. After that, it comes in the first quadrant. So tan 60 degrees. What is the value of tan 60 degrees? Root 3. In both methods, you get the same answer. In both methods, you get the same answer. Understood? This method also, my children, you can follow any method. There is no restriction. There is no restriction. Now take screenshot. Take screenshot of this question. Make it fast. Yes, very good, Samuel. Very good, Mahima. What about others? Percy, Benjamin, Disha Priya, Rexlin, Richan, Catherine. Yes. Now come to the question number 9. Question number 9. Find the value of sine of minus 11 pi by 3. Find the value of sine of 11 pi by 3. Which method? Degree measure or radian measure? Tell me. Which method we follow? Which method is comfortable to you? To find the value of this trigonometric function, which method is comfortable to you? Tell me. Radian measure. Is it okay, radian measure? I don't explain degree measure for this question. Okay, my children? Yes. Now, we write the same sentence for each and every question, same sentence. We know that the value of sin x, because we are given trigonometric function is sine. So, sin x, repeat after an interval of 360 degrees or 2 pi radians. Now take the given trigonometric function sine of minus 11 pi by 3. If we observe this angle, it is in the form of sine of minus x. What is the formula? Sine of minus x. What is the value of sine minus x? Yes, very good, my dear Ria. Sine of minus x is equal to minus sine x. So minus sine 11 pi by 3. Because by using this formula, I wrote this step. Sine of minus x is equal to minus sine x, where x is equal to 11 pi by 3. Now we have to split this number 11 pi by using multiples of 3 or divide 11. 3 times, yes or no? You get 2 as remainder. Now let us divide 11 pi as 9 pi. Okay, see here. What I wrote here number 9. So 9 pi plus 2 pi by 3. Just I am splitting the numerator. I am splitting 11 pi as a sum of two numbers. Okay, my children, understood this point? Understood this one? Line 9 pi plus 2 pi. Now we split this fraction into two fractions. Minus sine of 9 pi by 3 plus 2 pi by 3. Okay, understood this one? Yes. Now 3 times, 3 times. So minus sine of what will get here? 3 pi plus 2 pi by 3. 3 pi plus 2 pi by 3. See here, my children. 3 pi plus pi by 2 pi by 3. 3 pi means here. Actually, this is also not acute angle. We have to convert it into the acute angle. After we convert it later into the acute angle, 3 pi plus 2 pi. In which quadrant it lies? Here 0, here pi, here 2 pi, here 3 pi. 3 pi plus 2 pi by 3. 3 pi plus 2 pi by 3 is third quadrant. 3 pi plus. Okay. 3 pi plus means the angle lies in the third quadrant. So this angle lies in the third quadrant. In third quadrant, which trigonometric function is positive? In third quadrant, which trigonometric function is positive? Tell me, which trigonometric functions are positive? Yes, tan and its reciprocal cot. But given trigonometric function is a sine. It is a negative. Already sine you can here minus is there, so we can write sine 2 pi by 3. Sine 2 pi by 3. Again, this 2 pi by 3 is not acute angle. 2 pi by 3 is not an acute angle. So we split 2 pi by 3. How do you split? 3 pi minus pi. Can we write it or not? 3 pi minus pi. Again we are splitting by multiple of 3. We are writing 2 pi as 3 pi minus pi. Can we write it or not? This is equal to sine. Again split into two fractions. 3 pi by 3. We are splitting that fraction into two fractions. 3 pi by 3 minus pi by 3. Again simplify here these numbers. Sine pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3. In which quadrant this angle lies? Tell me. Pi minus pi by 3. Pi minus pi by 3. In which quadrant this angle lies? Pi minus pi by 3. Here, see there. Pi. Pi minus. Which quadrant this angle lies? Observe this figure. Pi minus means less than pi. Pi minus means previously also I told you. Pi minus means less than pi. Pi plus means more than pi. In which quadrant this angle lies? Pi minus. Richan, Nikhil, Juice, Melam, Catherine, Ria, Mahima, Samuel. Yes, very good. Catherine. Second quadrant. Very good. Second quadrant. Pi minus less than pi. Less than pi means second quadrant. In the second quadrant, which trigonometric functions are positive? Which trigonometric functions are positive? Sine and its reciprocal cosecant. Already given is sine. So it is a positive. Sine pi by 3. Previously also I told you pi minus theta, sine pi minus theta, sine pi minus theta, sine theta. In the previous classes I told you sine pi by 3. What is the value of sine pi by 3? What is the value of sine pi by 3? What is the value of sine pi by 3? Root 3 by 2. Very good. So this is the value of sine of minus 11 pi by 3. Okay, my children, take screenshot. Take screenshot fast. Have you taken screenshot? All of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, very good, very good. Now I will not explain the next question. Please try the next question by yourself. I am not explaining question number 10. Will you try the question number 10 by yourself? Now I will explain. Yes. I'm going to explain the concepts of exercise 3.3. Concepts. In this exercise, you have to learn some formulae. You have to learn some formulae. That is trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. That is the main concept. Trigonometric functions of sum and difference of two angles. You have to learn, you have to memorize these formulae. Okay, my children, sin of a plus b. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. A is one angle and b is another angle. The trigonometric function sin of the sum of these two angles is given by sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. All of you read one by one, my dear children. Read this formula. Nikhil, read this formula. I will repeat one more time. Sin of a plus b. Sin of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Repeat this formula, Nikhil. Nikhil. My dear Nikhil. My dear Nikhil, are you there online or not? Juice.
Yes, sir.
Read this formula. Read this formula.
Sin of a plus b equals sin a cos b plus cos a sin b.
Very good. Melam, read this formula.
Sin a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b.
Very good. My dear Catherine, read this formula.
Sin of a plus b equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b.
Very good, Amma. Mahima, read this formula.
Sin of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b.
Very good, Amma. Maria, read.
Sin of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus sin a cos sin b. Cos a sin b.
Don't be mistake. Disha, read this formula. Disha,
So sin of a plus b is equal sin of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b.
Very good. Richan.
Yes, sir.
Read
Sin
this.
of a plus b is equal to sin a cos b plus cos a sin b.
Very good. My dear Rexlin, read this formula once.
Sine of A plus B equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B.
Very good. My dear Percy, read this formula once. Okay. Samuel, read this formula. My dear Samuel. Okay, my dear children. Samuel, will you read this formula or not? Samuel. Yes, my dear children. Now the time is 11 past 48 minutes. Now you can leave the meeting. Take rest. Take care of your health, my dear children. But I'm not able to hear. I can't hear, my dear Samuel. There may be some technical problem. Once check later. Stay at home. Stay safe. Sanitize your hands frequently, my dear children. Do your work sincerely and seriously. Take screenshot. This also. Take screenshot.
Sir, can you hear me, sir?
Now I can hear you. Now,
Sir, before I am speaking only, sir. I don't know, sir. It have some problems.
there may be some technical issue. No issues. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.